Sarura kids.
1, 2, 3, who's ready for a surprise? 1, 2, 3, who's ready for a surprise?
Yeah.
Louder. Louder.
Me.
Oh, because I'm whispering, is it? Okay. Mummy's got a little surprise, but I need space on that table first. So I can put the surprise on the table.
Yeah. Dinosaurs!
Dinosaurs have landed!
Are you able to take the sellotape off with your hand?
A hand.
Okay,
Then I can do a vest.
Yes, so Mummy's going to say a little boring stuff about it. This is Awesome Animals Dinosaurs.
See a little bit.
You can see a little bit on the packaging, can't you?
Yeah.
And Mummy's just going to say it is... Oh, okay, one corner says, fun facts. Dinosaurs dominated Earth for over 165 million years. That's a long time. That's older than 3 years old. That's even older than Mummy and Daddy's age.
What?
A Tyrannosaurus Rex, which is a type of dinosaur, could eat up to 22 tons of meat each year. 22 tons? Now, when you two eat meat, you don't eat any more than, I'd say, 50 grams. That's a little less than a ton of meat. It's an Addo toy, and the other side is written in English and I'm not even going to guess whether it's Spanish or something. Made in China, so it says, warning, small parts, choking hazard. Please retain information for future reference. Color and specification may vary from the product shown. And always supervise your child in play, which is very important. Those are dinosaurs, which are educational and also help with your imagination. So we're going to open this toy from addoplay.com. And we are going to have a little look inside. This was part of a bulk purchase, which we got from the toy shop. This is red, so it's got a red lid.
Red. Red.
That's
Red.
I think Mummy might need her scissors
Yeah.
for the sellotape. Hold on.
Maybe my scissors.
Okay, let's go get your scissors and get them. Let's take a lovely big look inside of all the dinosaurs that are inside. I don't think it says the names of the dinosaurs, and Mummy's not very good with dinosaur names. But anyway, I'll bring them up to the camera so people can see them. That must be the big daddy T-Rex. Snap, 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 snap.
What? What that?
We have to look up the names, sweetie. Mummy's not very good with dinosaur names.
Bat.
It does look a bit like a bat, doesn't it? It's got those webbed wings. We'll look up the names of them.
That
Right, one at a time.
Oh. Little
Do them one at a time. So just so you can see the scale, because I know right now, how old are you now, Anna? How old are you now? You're
3.
Yes, you are 3 years old.
3.
Mummy's just bringing them up one at a time, sweetie. I'm bringing them up to you, don't worry. Look, there's lots and lots. Look, look. One guy, one. They're all there. Roar! So just so you see the scale of them next to each other as well. They're actually quite well made. And this is the thing that Mummy loved about these ones, because they've even got their own little trees. So you can have the dinosaurs with their trees.
To chomp.
Yes, wandering through the jungle. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Yes. And there's another little dinosaur.
Baby
Dinosaur. And then the last thing in the package is a tree. Or a log. And I'm assuming you just snap this together. Okay, I could be wrong. Oh, it looks like 2 separate ones actually, because they don't line up. I thought they just lined up. But no, it looks like they just stand like that.
Oh God.
Okay, our surface is quite flat. Yes, they're all gone. So I've got everything from out of there. Right, so this doesn't actually stand on its own. Okay. either these are just lying down ones or they're not meant to stand. So they lie down easily enough, just flat.
Not a lot.
But yeah, they don't stand. I suppose it's a bit of a log, so you know, maybe some dinosaurs would hop onto the log and climb across. I don't know. So that's our dinosaur set. Yay!
Oh, yeah,
They're trees.
baby T-Rex. Baby T-Rex. Baby T-Rex. Baby T-Rex. Baby T-Rex.
You can play with another one, sweetie. There's lots of little dinosaurs there for you. Can you find another little dinosaur?
There's another T-Rex. Little back.
I think Mummy might be lying, but I think that's called a pterodactyl, the one that you're holding.
Come on, Mummy.
Pterodactyl.
Come on, Daddy. They all riding on the back.
Is that a dinosaur piggyback?
Yeah.
Poor T-Rex. Do you see poor T-Rex? He's the horsey. Why is T-Rex the horsey?
Because he's very big and strong.
He would have to be after all that piggybacking.
Uh-oh. And he needed a drink. Honey. Called Honey. Little baby can see a whole world.
Oh, little baby dinosaur.
And she needs to fit back on. I need to... Oh, baby.
Pterodactyl.
Baby. All these up. Baby. 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 Baby.